Welcome to everyone in the new video of Pokédex. Here I am presenting the top 10 non-legendary Mega Evolution Pokemon. So without any further discussion and delay, let's get started with our video. But before starting the video, be sure to subscribe our channel and press the notification so you get further notification of our channel video. So let's get started with our video.
Oh, I'm unbeatable. Walking down this endless highway with nothing but my friends beside me. We'll never give in, we'll never rest. Advanced battle is the ultimate test. From the earth, the land, the sea and sky, they can never.
Number 10. Mega Sceptile. Mega Sceptile is a dragon and grass type Pokemon. Sceptile has long been a favorite starter among fans and his Mega Evolution keeps him relevant in modern play. He is already impressed speed and special attack further increase, providing a superb indirect sweeper. Plus, the Lightning Rod ability absorbs electric attacks and further boosts special attack, making him a great ally for electric weak multi-battle partners like Gyarados. Mega Sceptile's biggest weakness is a comparatively weak guard. Neither of his defense stats impress, and his new grass or dragon typing provides an unfortunate quadruple weakness to ice, a common offensive element. Still, you have got a powerful warrior who can now withstand fire attacks. Number 9. Mega Gardevoir. Mega Gardevoir is a psychic and fairy type Pokemon. Mega Gardevoir offers an excellent indirect sweeper and tank, carrying terrific special attack and special defense. She has also got a decent typing with only 3 weaknesses, 2 of which, poison and steel, are rarely seen offensively. Mega Gardevoir's Pixelate ability also turns normal moves into fairy, which not only triggers STAB, same type attack bonus, but also boosts their power by 20%. In generations past, this was even better at 30%, offering an excellent combo with Hyper Voice, and is still formidable even when nerfed. Just watch out for low HP and defense stats. Number 8. Mega Venusaur. Mega Venusaur is a grass and poison type Pokemon. Mega Venusaur provides perhaps the most well-balanced Mega form yet. His lowest stat is speed, and even then you are still faster than slowpokes like Snorlax. Mega Venusaur's defense and special defense are both strong, and his special attack providing a sturdy unit who can tank both contact and indirect moves. Venusaur is further shielded with his useful thick fat ability, which halves the power of opposing fire and ice moves. This is perfect for a grass type, as you now have only 2 weaknesses, flying and psychic, yet 5 resistances supported by HP recovering moves like Giga Drain and Leech Seed. Venusaur can be a real pain to defeat. Number 7. Mega Mawile. It is a steel and fairy type Pokemon. Mega Mawile's biggest failing is a poor 480 stat total, weaker than even many non-Mega Pokemon. However, his fantastic huge power ability compensates by doubling his attack stat, offering the strongest power in the game. He is slow, so you are likely strike second, but you can reverse this in trick room builds, or simply soak up the damage with Mawile's capable defense stats. These are supplemented by an excellent steel or fairy typing with only 2 elements, ground and fire, trump, will resisting 9 and completing negating 2 poison and dragon, often leaving Foy's element locked. Number 6. Mega Lucario. It is still a fighting type Pokemon. Mega Lucario offers perhaps the most unpredictable Mega form yet. Determining his moveset is half the battle. Stealing or fighting is a nice pairing that accesses Steel's numerous defenses and the useful fighting stab. Furthermore, the awesome adaptability trait raises your stab multiplier from 1.5x to 2x, rewarding you for harshness, steel and fighting attacks. Throw in equally powerful attack and special attack, and you've got a daunting warrior who can strike from either close quarters or range. Lucario is also fast, outspeeding all but the most allied foes. His defenses aren't great, but he's only got 3 weaknesses, none are quartz, and his 8 resistances and single immunity, poison, pick up the slack. Number 5. Mega Kangaskhan. It is a normal type Pokemon. Mega Kangaskhan offers well balanced stats, failing only in special attack. But that's okay, as her fierce attack compensates, especially with the unique parental body ability. This grants an extra strike to her single target attacks, dealing an additional 25% damage. That bonus damage piles on the hard fast enough to warrant a slot in some 2018 World Championship teams, and it was even deadlier in Generation 6, where the second strike offered 50% additional damage, a dominating boost that can be used to recover your own health with techniques like Drain Punch. Number 4. Mega Charizard Y. It is a fire and flying type Pokemon. Unlike Mega Charizard X, who swaps flying for Dragon, Mega Charizard Y retains its standard typing. But besides this quadruple weakness to rock, it's actually a nice duo that negates fire's fertility to ground. More than that, Y's excellent special attack and speed make him a prime indirect sweeper. And he carries the excellent weather triggering drought ability, strengthening fire moves while dampening water. Number 3. Mega Gengar. It is a ghost or poison type Pokemon. Mega Gengar's defenses aren't great and his regular attack is pitiful, but he compensates with phenomenal special attack and speed, granting yet another stupendous indirect sweeper, often employing the famous Shadow Ball attack. As part of 2018 runner-up squad, Mega Gengar could even revert to defense if needed, utilizing Protect and Substitute to stall after activating Peri's Song. This fends all Pokemon in 3 turns, and thanks to Gengar's Shadow Tag ability, foes are unable to switch out. Thus, Gengar can swap between devastating ghost moves and stalling for an inevitable knockout, and check out that awesome shiny form. Number 2. Mega Metagross. It is a steel or psychic type Pokemon. Mega Metagross favors attack and defense, but with a whopping 700 base stat total, he is no slouch in any area. Still, you'll generally want to strike directly thanks to the fierce Tough Claws ability, boosting your contact moves by 30%. Essentially, you have got a monstrous beat stick with capable defenses and speed, especially since he has far more resistance than weakness, earning a position in many meta teams. Number 1. Mega Salamence. Mega Salamence is a dragon and flying type Pokemon. Mega Salamence's mighty 700 stat total is fairly well balanced but favors attack and defense. He wields the aerial ability, which is basically the flying equivalent of Pixelate, changing normal moves to flying and boosting their power by 20%. Again, this triggers stab and was even better at 30% in previous generations. Mega Salamence joined many 2018 championship teams, including the winners roster, in which his fierce double-edged move tore foes to shreds. Just watch out for that quad weakness to ice, but even then foes have to either outspeed Salamence or survive his onslaught to attack, neither an easy endeavor. Thanks for watching this video. I will catch you up in another video.